aperitivo. But you gotta say it like this. It's an aperitivo, like mama.
You gotta go like this. You gotta go like this.
It's a beautiful day.
It is.
I found your beer, Gigi.
Another one with my freaking nickname.
That's her. She's the sourest one to walk. It's true.
Take that back.
I take it back.
I want to try this one.
How about this with citrus brew? It's like Mountain Dew.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm looking for my discount card.
I love mochi.
Who cannot?
And it's green tea. I don't think I've ever tried green tea.
It's good shit.
So hopefully we like that.
How do you pronounce that?
Pachow. Pachow.
For me, it's like pachow. But you gotta say it like this. Like aperitivo, like mama.
You gotta go like
say.
this.
Like
You gotta
this.
like this. Like this.
And the more you do it, the more you put your shoulders at the head, the better. And the more you know.
Yeah, and it tastes like
It's alcohol.
It's kind of like black licorice. Yeah.
Well, yeah. We're gonna start with the.
We're gonna start with the deer.
Let's start with the deer. Here, why don't
Yes,
you?
deer.
Yes, dear. Fill me kind of this. Open. Okay, let's see. Let me read where this is from, first of all. This is from Austin, Texas. From a good old, you know, this Bambi's venison is gluten-free. I wouldn't have it any other way. 12 grams of protein. Grass-fed. Well, yes. And apparently it's epic. In bar form. Let's see. Let's see what this Bajo is all about. What if we like it so much we'll have like deer burgers?
No.
No. Don't say that.
I just want to like just experiment.
Whoa. That's hot.
It's not something I want.
I just want to experiment for ow. I'm cutting. I'm using a knife. That's dangerous. I'm just. Okay. All right. All right. Here we go. Okay, it's just like beef jerky.
Are you serious?
Serious. Like a Slim Jim, actually. You
Really?
try it. Yeah.
Okay. Here it goes. Trying deer for the first time.
Mm-hmm. Right?
You're right.
Slim Jim.
Slim Jim for sure.
What if they just freaking package a Slim Jim? Is it a Slim Jim, folks? All right, so this is seriously like a Slim Jim. I mean, no.
It's good.
It's good though. All right.
So now we're gonna try the mochi, green tea mochi.
Ooh. See what we got right here. Oh, here. Be filming some B-roll, baby. Is it recording?
Yeah. No.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Undress that. Right here. No, right here. Oh, you got it?
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Whoa. What
Mochi, green tea mochi.
That's great. Ooh, it smells like a lady who works at a bakery, like her butt.
Oh, shit.
That's a good smell.
Wait, stop. I'm gonna get a picture with my phone.
We're filming, Chula.
So?
This is the missus, you know, the missus. Whoa, hey, that's vulgar as fuck. Well, she needs to Instagram, you know. Oh, that's a nice shot. Ooh.
Yeah?
I agree.
Wait.
Oh my god.
He's gotta help me pick a filter.
God damn. I always gotta help.
Look.
Yeah. Ooh.
It feels so gooey.
Really?
It's like,
I like it when things are good.
oh my god, it feels so cute. So puny.
So, bite it. Ooh. What's the verdict?
It tastes kind of like that bean sauce. Or
Oh, yeah,
what's
yeah,
that stuff
yeah.
I like?
Red bean?
It's pretty good, yeah.
Okay, you saw the beauty. Now here's the beast. Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yes. Reminds me of anime.
How so? You ate the whole thing?
Yeah? Next up on our list, we have
Wuchow!
from Japan, straight from Japan. We have grape, strawberry, mango, and lemon. Only straight out of Japan offers you the fun of fruity soft candy carrying springy gummy. I'm going for that was the best. Melon. Wait, she's doing that. It was good.
I'm gonna try strawberry. Oh my god. It smells amazing. It smells like cotton candy. It's very gummy. I can barely chew it. It's so good.
Yeah, I agree. The
I'm
melon
so glad
one,
I picked these.
we recommend them. Thumbs up. Next product is Fernet Branca.
Wait.
It's Fernet Branca. I think it's
Can
from.
you not say it so white trash it?
Yeah, no, it's from Fernet. Where is this from? Fernet?
It's called Fernet, and it's Italian. But I'm from Argentina, and
Arrivederci.
this is very traditional over there.
Yeah, I never had this before.
So I think you'll like it. He's never had it. It tastes kind of like black licorice with a little hint of something else. We'll see. You let me know.
Well, I love alcohol, so.
So here we go.
Just kidding. I enjoy it.
Okay.
Is that shoe time?
We'll do even little shots.
Well, not too much. I'm a lightweight. It looks like Coca-Cola.
It does.
Or root beer or something of this nature. Whoa, you're doing the whole thing? Jeez.
Do you smell it already?
Let's see. Oh, I do.
Does it smell like Jaeger to you?
Yes, it does, actually. Yes.
So, yeah.
Very herbal.
It's very
scent,
much
earthy.
The Italian version of
Yes.
Jaeger. Let's try it out.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love you, Argentina. Don't cry for me, please.
Don't cry.
Never. I love you. Ready?
You're all right, Argentina. Smell it's very medicinal. Like I feel my sinuses opened up.
But it's like you can barely taste the alcohol. Usually, you mix this with Coke, and
Whoa.
you just.
Oh, Coca-Cola. Oh. Just say no, kids.
You gotta excuse my friend here. He's a little crazy.
I'm a crazy. I give this a thumbs up. Oh, good.
And I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
It's 39% alcohol.
Not bad. All right.
Fuck you.
And with that,
We're done.
with or taste test.